Hello everyone, hope you guys doing great. If you are new here, consider to subscribe to our tech channel Linksoft. And today I'm going to unbox USB hub charger Remax, brand by Remax, which comprise 5 ports, 5 volt with an output of 6 ampere and product code RUU1. One thing I love about this product is it is mainly designed by Remax in Hong Kong and made in Shenzhen, China.
Don't look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow.
It has 5 USB ports with various outputs to meet different current demands, which ensures and provide you maximum compatibility. And when we talk about its build quality, it is made up of flaming retardant material, which makes this product very solid and safe. And obviously it is portable and perfect must have for travel use. It comes with the 1.2 meter detectable power cord, which is flexible in length and for long distance charging. And I found this product is very stylish. It is a very stylish exterior and obviously very powerful interior, which makes this product unique and very demanding. If we talk about its box content, you will get Remax 5 port hub, RUU1 and detectable power cord. Obviously, we talk about its input and output specs. It provides AC 100 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz frequency, and maximum power is 10 ampere. And second input AC 90 to 264 volt and same 50 to 60 hertz frequency with maximum 2.5 ampere. When we talk about its output, output 1, 2, 3 provides 1 ampere DC 5 volt obviously, and its fourth port provide DC 5 volt 2.1 ampere, and its fifth port, which is in red color, it provides 2.4 ampere of output.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying